is me, Len Dragon, ang baing dragon na di bumubuga ng apoy, and we're here to greet happy birthday sa ating Ate Loves LVI Rosso. At magkakaroon siya ng birthday GLS this October 22, kaya magkita-kita po tayo. Ayan, I will try my best, Ate Loves, na maka-attend ng yung birthday GLS because I think busy ako niyan sa church, but hopefully makaakyat tayo and masamahan ka natin sa yung GLS. So, happy birthday again. I know you are silently supporting me, Ate Loves LVI Rosso, and we have been friends here in YouTube for a long time. I think it's already, kung magti 3 years anniversary na ako bilang monetized channel dito sa YouTube. More or less mga 2 years and more na kitang friends dito sa YouTube and sa FB. So, to you, Ate Loves LVI Rosso, stay beautiful, stay fabulous, and travel the whole world with your family. Nandito lang si Len Dragon, laging nakasuporta sa'yo with the best that I can. Love you, Ate Loves. Bye-bye. Love you. God bless.